California has a new plan in the fight against COVID-19. Governor Newsom announcing the state is switching to an endemic approach. So this creates a more long-term plan for fighting the virus. Thanks for joining us for Fox 40 News at 6. I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. The governor is hoping to push back on false information and prepare for potential surges in the future. All of this is coming after the state dealt obviously with the Omicron surge and what we've learned in the past 2 years.
Fox 40 Capitol reporter Ashley Zavala joining us now live to break down the plan and what it means for Californians. Ashley.
Nikki and Eric, Governor Gavin Newsom pointed out California is the first state to roll out such a policy. He says the state is moving from a crisis mindset to one that is just living with COVID-19. But for the everyday Californian, not much is changing. The state will be boosting its surveillance of the virus by monitoring virus particles in wastewater to try to detect potential surges. Masks at this point won't be required, but the state will hold on to its ability to require them when state leaders think it's necessary. The plan also includes ramping up the state stockpile of masks, vaccine distribution, as well as the daily testing capacity for the state. Now, state health officials have said with COVID-19, we are not out of the woods, we just have a better understanding of the woods.
That there is no end date, that there is not a moment where we declare victory.
So this announcement comes on the same day that state lawmakers have moved forward with potentially considering a resolution that would end Governor Newsom's COVID-19 state of emergency. Just within the last half hour, I just spoke with Senator Melissa Melendez, the lawmaker carrying that bill. The Senate has set a hearing to hear the resolution March 15th. I will have much more on that later tonight.
Ashley, school mask requirements have been a big topic of discussion. Did state leaders say how this plan will affect that?
At this point, no. This plan still allows the state to continue implementing mask mandates if they need to, but state leaders did give an update that in 10 days, they will be doing that reassessment of the school mask requirement. And at that point, we might have a better idea of when the masks will come off. Governor Newsom did say the masks will come off.
All right, our Capitol reporter Ashley Zavala live for us tonight. Ashley, thanks.